everybody, welcome back to Stronger Yoga Academy. I'm Scott Anderson. This is my dear friend Monica, and we're here to make your triangle stronger. So stick around and let us show you how. All right, I'm gonna have Monica come into a triangle pose. She's gonna step her feet nice and wide. Now we've got a lot of videos in the first series talking about the feet. There's the title card up there. Go back and check out some of those options. So Monica comes into her triangle. This is our classic Hatha Ashtanga sort of a triangle, right? She's got her hand on the floor. She's beautiful at this pose, right? But this pose probably isn't challenging enough for Monica, maybe not for you either. So let's take another crack at this. Rather than hand to the floor, and remember we also had in our first video on triangle, we showed you back of the hand to the inner calf and pressing the calf into the hand, right? This time I'm going to actually have her place her hand on her shin. It's always important to remember, don't press your knee into hyperextension, never lock out a joint. So she pushes her calf into her hand, right? Now what I'm going to have her do is go into a half skull position. That means she takes her thumb and slides it right over her ear. And she's looking at the wall off camera there, and she's pointing her elbow in the same place. But what she's going to do, and this is where we make this pose stronger, she's going to slowly start to pull her left elbow away from her hip, but then she's going to bend her left knee. Her right leg is still straight. Her knee bends, and then she's going to push her butt back. Now her groin goes back, her hips are pushed back with her right foot trying to slide her mat forward. She's looking forward with her eyes stacked, and she's trying to rotate the chest open a little bit more, and her breathing is still good even though she's under a lot of strain. She's working so hard in this position, and we're gonna break and take her out of that. Great job, Monica. Now let's look at one more thing on the other side. So she's going to turn her triangle to face the other direction, and she's going to come back into the pose. So remember, don't lock out your knee. Push the shin into the hand. But there's always energy. There's what's called directional energy. That means to Monica, she's trying to slide the mat she's standing on forward with her left foot. She's trying to find the perfect balance of tension between straightening her leg with the quad and keeping it unlocked with the hamstring, okay? But what's important to know is that the more she bends the knee, the more the angle changes between her spine and her straight leg. So the purpose of this pose of straightening this leg or bending the knee is how it pulls more tension across the right side of her ribs and the back and outside of her left leg. So play around with that at home. Thank you, Monica. And see if that helps make your yoga more strong and also more challenging. We're always trying to ratchet up the challenge and the difficulty so that we can get more out of the time we spend on the mat. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video on our instructional series. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. Be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always up to speed on when our new content comes out. We're really passionate about helping yoga practitioners and yoga teachers get stronger in their teaching and in their practice. We've got more great videos on YouTube and lots of great content on our website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.